The U.S. Supreme Court is siding with Texas in a First Amendment case. The High Court upheld a Texas law that aims to block children from seeing pornography online. It's the end of a nearly 2-year-long legal battle. KVUE's Daniel Perot has more on the High Court's decision and what it means for free speech and privacy protections.
The U.S. Supreme Court says Texas's 2023 law requiring pornography websites to institute age verification measures is constitutional. A group called the Free Speech Coalition sued, arguing the law violates the First Amendment and puts a burden on adults who are allowed to access that content. Samir Jain with the nonprofit Center for Democracy and Technology says it raises privacy and free expression concerns.
There's a chance that that data gets used for other purposes, gets sold to other people, is the subject of hacks. And so it puts at risk your privacy and chills access to information.
In a 6-3 split decision, the High Court ruled the efforts to protect kids from pornography outweigh what justices called the incidental burden on adults.
This wasn't preventing adult access to this content. It was just limiting minors. And because it wasn't a content-based restriction, it's not subject to strict scrutiny.
The decision is a significant departure from how courts have previously analyzed online speech restrictions, an argument the High Court's liberal justices made in dissent.
It made it easier for states and for the federal government to impose restrictions, age verification restrictions.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton called the ruling a victory for children and parents, vowing to enforce the law against anyone who doesn't protect minors from explicit materials.
While this case concerns a particular type of content, online pornography, there's a real danger it expands beyond that.
The decision offering a constitutional roadmap for states seeking to regulate minors' access to online sexual content and dealing a blow to the adult entertainment industry.
I can guarantee you that a lot of adults will not want to access these sites if they have to provide their identification before they do so.
The court ruling will affect similar age verification measures that at least 22 other states have implemented since 2023. Some adult websites like Pornhub have already blocked users from accessing their content in several states, including Texas, citing the technical and privacy hurdles in complying with the laws.